What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Zamazenta from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna begin with drawing his mask. So I'm gonna take this point right here and draw a line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn diagonally to the right and up. And then I'm gonna make a turn right there, and from that point I'm gonna draw a curved line up all the way to the tip of the ear, and I'm gonna make a turn back down towards the center, and I'm gonna draw a spike in the middle right there, and from this point right here I'm gonna draw a curved line up and turn it to the right ear right there. And from this point right here, I'm gonna draw the other ear on the left. And I'm gonna make a turn down to the side. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the eye right there. And join that with a line up. And then for the top of the nose, I'm gonna extend this line to the front, and for the sides I'm gonna draw a zigzag line all the way to the tip of the nose right there, and the same goes to the right side. And on the right side I'm gonna draw a short line there. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw a line down from this point and turn it to the center at the lower point, and his pupil at this corner right there. And for the right eye, we're gonna take the inner corner of the eye, a line down, and turn it sideways, and then turn it back up, and a circle in the center for his pupil, and another one in the middle, and a short line right there. Now beside the nose piece, I'm gonna draw a line out and down, and then turn it to the left and down, and make a sharp turn up and sharp turn back down, and diagonally to the front of the snout. And I'm gonna make a semicircle turn towards the center and back down on the left side, and then back up right there. And then below of that shape, I'm gonna draw a semicircle corner here, turn it to the right and back diagonally to the right side of the face. And I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the corner of the eye, and then back out with a sharp turn, and to the side of the face with a curved line up, and a sharp turn back to the eye, and back up at the corner right there. And inside of this shape, I'm gonna trace the line around it like that. Now for the nose, I'm going to draw a triangle shape in front of the mask. And then on the left side of the face, we're going to copy the same shape that we have drawn on the right, now on the left. Now from the side of the nose, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line out, and then turn it up and make a turn with a curved line to the side. And then from that point, I'm gonna make a turn slightly up and to the side, and a sharp turn back down to the side. And then I'm gonna make another spike at that corner, and we're gonna turn it down to the center below the chin, all the way down right there. And on the right side, we're gonna draw a curved line out and make a sharp turn at the side of the face, and I'm gonna make a turn towards the eye and a sharp turn back out. And then we're gonna continue the line down to the center below the chin, and I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the chin and back down and slightly to the right on the lower portion right there. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up and turn it back to the right and up with a diagonal line and a curved line at the corner right there. And above that, I'm gonna trace this line along and a line up at this corner right there, and a curved line on the left side which is mirror the right side, and a short line at that corner and this corner as well. So on the left side, I'm gonna copy this shape again like that. And for the first shield here, I'm gonna extend that line to the center and make a semicircle turn to the right and up. And then at this point, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down and sharp turn back up, and then a sharp turn back down at this tip right here to that point. And behind the first shield, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner up, and then we're gonna draw another spike to the side for the second shield, second layer right there, and make a sharp turn back down. And then I'm gonna trace that side line there all the way down, and this is the center point, so I'm gonna draw a curve line up at the corner, and the patterns on the bottom part right here, I'm gonna draw a curve line out, another curve line there, and another one right there. And on the left side, a curve line there and another one beside it. And on top here around the spike, I'm gonna draw another two lines right there. And the third layer of the shield, I'm gonna take this point right here and draw a curved line out and down, and then back up and straight to the back and slightly up at the tip. And then I'm gonna make a turn back down, and then we're gonna draw another shape, similar shape right there. And below that, I'm gonna draw another piece of the same shape, and one last one right there, and extend it all the way to that corner right there. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the right and up, and we're gonna copy another shape right there and up to the corner right there, and a curved line at this point. And for the patterns for the third layer, I'm gonna draw a curved line all the way right there, and on the top part, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and up, and we're gonna trace the same shape to the tip of the first shape right there. And from the tip as well, I'm gonna make a line back in and make a semicircle turn back down to the second shape right there. And the lower portion, we're gonna draw a cross right in the third shape, and from the same point slightly below, I'm gonna draw a line and turn it down in the middle and back to the front. And we're gonna take the same point back and a semicircle turn right there to the tip on the upper portion. Now for the third layer of the shield in front, we're gonna draw from this point right here a curved line down and make a sharp turn back to the left side again. And the patterns for the shield, I'm going to draw a few curved lines in that section right there. And then I'm gonna go back to the head and draw the pattern on his forehead as well. And in the ear, I'm gonna draw a triangle shape and fill that in with a black color on both of his ear. And then behind the right ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, and then at the tip I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down and then back up for the other strand, and back down, and another strand of hair, and another one at the side, and I'm gonna extend it in and turn it down right there. And at the side, I'm gonna draw another strand of hair and turn it back down to the side of the ear right there. And then at the side of the first layer shield, I'm gonna draw another 2 strands of hair. Now here, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there. And at this point, I'm going to draw a curved line to the shield and a few curved lines in between of that space right there. And going down, I'm going to draw his legs. So we're going to draw a triangle shape at this corner, and the line continues down all the way to the feet. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards and to the left. I'm gonna make a turn down. This is a semicircle line, and a turn to the front with a semicircle line, and diagonally to the right and down, and go back up at the side. And then I'm gonna make a turn up all the way to the tip and make a sharp turn back to the center. And from this point right here, I'm going to draw a curved line up, outwards, and then back in at that point all the way to the shield, and a line across at this point right there. Now in front of the foot, I'm going to draw a zigzag line across. And for the front portion, we're going to add a few lines. And at this portion as well, I'm going to draw 2 curved lines. And for at the third shield here, I'm going to draw a curved line right there. Now for the other front foot, I'm going to draw at this corner right here a similar shape as the other foot. And for the hind foot, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line down and to the back, and then I'm gonna make it turn down, and a curved line from this point to the tip and back to the heels, and then I'm gonna make it turn up, and from that point I'm gonna make a turn up again, and from this point I'm gonna make a curved line down and a sharp turn back up to the side of the shield. And in front of the foot, I'm gonna draw the similar shape, a zigzag line across and a few lines on the front portion right there, and around the ankle I'm gonna add a short line. At the back of the hind leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and a sharp turn back up to the tail. And at the tails section, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point out and down at the tip. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the side and the back and stop there. And then I'm gonna draw a strand of hair at that point right there and turn it back up with a sharp turn. And behind, I'm gonna add another strand of the tail with a curved line down to the hind leg, and it goes beyond the leg to the front portion here, and a sharp turn back up to the front. Now at this corner, I'm gonna add a curved line down and towards the front leg, and a triangular shape at this corner right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.